I will be talking to my heart's content the whole day today. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the learning.
I introduce to you the beautiful and talented Miss Erica.
Please welcome my very, very friendly partner, Marilyn.
Please welcome Michelle Bennett.
Now let us all welcome Miss R.B. Kayana.
Please join me welcoming our batchmate, Mr. 𝐸𝐲𝐽𝐿.
Parang hindi ko nga nagte-text eh.
Tignan mo sa cellphone mo.
Ay, sorry, lobat pala. Art Composing Workshop on the 23rd of October 2024 at the House of Silang, Cavite. Congratulations and thank you.
Learn in events industry, pero kasi wala ka na sa Philippines. So, ang overview ko lang sana na magbibigay is yung events industry sa Philippines. Pero kasi dyan sa Canada, ano ba ang audience mo? Mga Pinoy ba o mix? Hello everybody! These are my students. Our batch for virtual hosting workshop. Thank you so much!
Sa workshop, okay naman po lahat kasi marami talaga ako natutunan and talagang napansin ko rin sa sarili ko na kahit paano, may improvement ako. Practice lang talaga. We appreciate you, coach, kasi yung selfless mo and napaka-generous mo sa pagbibigay ng knowledge. Yung parang hindi mo iniisip na baka may maging competitor ko to. Kaya ganon.
Hi, Zaki!
Hi, Coach Yheng. I want to thank you. Thank you so much for sharing your talent with us. Super appreciate, and I've learned a lot, truly. And I never expected na ganito yung magiging yung flow ng natin, ng workshop. And masyadong sobrang hands-on sa students mo.
Salamat for the kind words, nakakataba ng puso. Maraming salamat.